love where they come and go, but what I need it never knows. It's the chase of time, it's the fear I'll fail. It's never knowing who I am. It's where I'll go, it's what I'll see. It's what it takes to chase that dream. It's the peace of mind, it's the fuel to the fire. It's the end of the world of my desires. So away we go until we find just what it is that makes this life. It's the tale you tell that you can't forget. It's the things you feel when you're in your head. It's all you know, it's who you are. It's what you need with all your heart. It comes with time, I swear it comes.
Kanina pa kami nag-drive. Grabe, ang ganda.
Napakaganda ng bansang Armenia. Sobrang sulit yung travel, mahabang travel. Ganda ng paligid, daming wildflowers, ganda ng mountains, very green, sarap ng fresh air.
Parang nanood ng SEDI. Pumunta ka sa palabas na SEDI. Ayan o. Ito. Napaka-safe ng daanan. Hindi siya mabangin. Kanina pa kami, bundok na to eh. Ano to? Jermok? Anong pangalan ito? Jermok Falls? Anong meron dito?
Cool down in water.
May edges ah.
In charges?
Malayo-layo din yung biyahe, no? Isang oras.
Matagal na.
Oo. Pag-trip ka dito, laglag ka. Pagpaptikan mo. Sky. Ganda. Sa video.
Portrayed na yun.
Okay yan? Baka ma-disgrasya pa eh, wag na.
Kaya nga, ay, nalaglag yung tatlong bata.
Let's go. Let's go, Sky. You're not gonna get there. So dangerous. Ooh, it's so cold.
Mama, I want to put my feet here.
Go. Wait. So, bumiyahe kami ng 1 oras para dun sa video na yun.
Para sa
Yeah.
waterfall.
Waterfalls.
Oh, maganda naman siya. But still, it's a good experience.
Malamig.
Tada! Yeah.
Pero ang ganda ng way coming here. Ang daming flowers, wildflowers, napakaganda ng nature. So, sa mga mahilig mag-nature trip,
Paano ba? Kaya ba? Hindi ko alam. Next stop. What's next stop, Uncle?
Hot Spring Galleria.
Hot Spring Galleria. Ito na next natin. Tingnan ko maganda. Dito na kami. At pagod na kami.
we are in the city of
Jermuk.
Jermuk.
City. Pupunta natin. May hot spring daw
City
eh.
is actually in the middle of the mountains.
Ganda dito. Nauna pa kami sa ano eh. Alam, nauna pa tayo sa tour guide. Parang alam na natin kung saan tayo pupunta eh. Parang ano dito ah. Parang nasa Baguio. Parang nasa Baguio dito. Oh. Yung mga puno parang ano, pine tree talaga. Pine tree yan, di ba? Sky. What fruit is that?
Lemon.
Ha?
What fruit? What plant? What tree?
No, may ano siya, may bunga siya.
Lemon. It's lemon.
Sige, huli mo. Parang nasa Baguio. Ito maganda.
Is the people is coming here, they just book the hotel and relax, and they drink this water because good for some cleaning
Even-
stomachs.
Even
or
if it's
some-
hot,
Yeah, it's it.
you can drink the water there?
It's a different degrees, from 35 to 53.
Medyo mainit-init.
Until we notice here, even young teenagers, they smoke. It's okay here? Not illegal?
Kaya man, di mo naman sila kapatid, my love eh. Di mo rin naman sila anak.
15 years or 14 years?
Mama, I found so many new insects.
Where?
Fishing poppers.
Ay, yung tubig dito mainit. Ano to?
Oh yeah, it's hot.
Ow. That hurts.
This is 53.
53 degree. Alright, I can drink.
53 degree. Ang lasa?
It has a taste. It tastes like kalawang.
I don't like the smell. I'm different, guys.
Lasang poso.
But they say it has good effect. I think you will get sick.
Ito.
50 degree, okay. Oh, this one is 50 degree. So each pozo or each, what do you call this? They have a specific temperature ng water. This one is 50 degree.
And that is 50.
Let's try. Same taste. This one is 45. Okay. So it gets cooler. I don't want to taste it anymore. Okay. Lasang Poso Negro.
Hindi poso negro, lasang kalawang. Poso lang.
I
Oh yeah, this one's 35 degree.
Mainit pa din.
Yeah.
Nagulat ako sa init.
But they're saying, Uncle, it has good benefits for the body?
Chan.
Uncle, it has good benefits?
Yeah.
Really?
Lagay mo sila.
This one's turkey.
Lagay mo.
Not that hot. Hot water, it's not that hot.
Same.
Siguro dahil sa ano.
Ay, dahil yun, no? Sa,
Taste is same, but it's only this one is 30, that one 53. Taste is
Yeah,
same,
right.
but it's natural spring.
yeah, right, okay. We also have hot spring in the Philippines, actually.
Siya magugas na.
How did you handle?
Oh, look at Uncle.
How did you handle that? That's very.
Oh, it's not so hot.
It's not hot. This one is 30 degree. Eh. But Uncle, how come it has different temperature?
It's natural spring. I don't know.
Really? Okay. Interesting, no?
Mountain from mountain is coming.
Oh, okay.
It's
very good.
because the robots are making water. Wait, I'm just telling the
It's
truth.
good to experience that.
Oh yeah.
Binigyan tayo ng apricot. Parang galing Pampuno to eh. Tingnan natin kung masarap.
Very sweet.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya. Siya, masarap?
Sobrang tamis. Saka ano, iba yung apricot dito eh. Kesa sa mga nabibili mo sa supermarket. Talaga ramdam na fresh. Ang tamis. Pauwi
Tamis.
na kami. Dumaan si Uncle.
Bumili siya eh. Sarap niya. Parang weird no, nagda-vlog tayo. Actually, alas 8 pa lang. Maliwanag pa din. 8 o'clock pero maliwanag pa din. Evening ha, hindi morning. Sila nyo. Palubog pa lang ang araw niyan. Yan. Ang luwag ng daan nila dito. Siguro lulubog ang araw mga siguro 8:30. Lulubog na ang araw. Dito nagtatapos ang aming tour. Pagod na kami. Pagod na kami. (8:20 p.m.)
8:20 p.m. in
Maliwanag
here
pa
in
rin.
Armenia. Kaya let's go, we're gonna go down.
Maliwanag pa din.
lang namin galing sa tour. We're kind of tired. And yun lang yung bahay namin, oh. Ano yung bahay naman? Yun lang yung bahay namin. That building.
Eto.
So, we're
Ayan, building na yan.
So magko-cross kami here underground. Let's go. Ito yung daanan nila dito, yung underpass nila.
Wow. Ito yung metro station. Lalim pa yan. Underground yan. Let's go. Oo nga no, pwede rin. Hanggang sa pag-uwi na.
Medyo tricky guys. Ganda ng front face ng house namin. Pakasama ulit itong building 2.
Ito lang
Ito
naman.
yung harap ng building namin na tinutuluyan dito.
May mga restaurant. Ang daan. Ang daan mo dito.
But it's a very good place. Very affordable.
Dito nakatira yung mga lokal. Mga bahay. Mga bahay ito ng mga lokal eh. Dito. Dito kami nakatira. Ayan, dyan. Iba diyan. Tatlong hagdan lang naman ang pagitan. Okay lang. Second floor lang naman siya, may love eh. Wala na siyang ibang floor. Wala.